Hello everyone, this is Dr. Avans Lee speaking, your Nuclear Business Director. In this session, we're going to cover Section 4.02, Abbreviations and Definitions, Technical Specifications for MSIV and MFIV of APR1400, developed by KHNP. This section helps us understand how specific terms should be interpreted within the technical specifications. By clarifying these terms, we can avoid misunderstandings and ensure consistency throughout the project. Let's go through these definitions together. When the terms approve, approved, or approval are used in this specification, they don't mean a formal approval by the buyer for the documents and drawings. Instead, they should be understood as review or reviewed for the decisions or conclusion for some or all of the small or big design or engineering or any troubleshooting issues along the project till the installation at the destination sites. The buyer's role is to review the drawings and data submitted by the supplier, but this doesn't necessarily imply an official approval. This clarification helps set the right expectations for the review process. When you see the phrases or equal or as agreed upon, they should be interpreted as agreed upon by the buyer, unless otherwise specified. This ensures that both the buyer and supplier are on the same page when discussing alternatives or conditions. The term valve rating refers to the pressure temperature ratings of the valve, and it must comply with the NC 3500 code for Class II valves. This definition is essential for ensuring the valves meet the required performance standards. Now let's break down the term valve assembly. In this specification, a valve assembly refers to the complete line-mounted component. This includes the valve body, the yoke, the actuator, and additional parts known as appurtenances. The valve body itself may have parts like the neck, bonnet, mounting brackets, plug, disc, and shaft. The actuator can include mounting brackets, a spring housing, and the driver assembly. Appurtenances refer to additional components such as hand wheels, limit switches, solenoid valves, positioners, tubing, and mounting brackets. Understanding this full definition ensures we know exactly what is included in a valve assembly. Finally, let's clarify two more terms. The term harsh environment refers to conditions where there is a significant increase in pressure, temperature, humidity, or radiation due to a design basis event. Specifically, if the radiation exceeds 10 grays, it qualifies as a harsh environment, particularly for electronic components. The term existing qualification report refers to the report that the supplier prepares at the time of the purchase contract award. This report contains all the necessary qualification details for the supplied components. These definitions help ensure that everyone involved in the project understands the conditions and expectations clearly. Okay, this is it. Don't hesitate to write to me for help.